And you can see I've got quite far through this lawn now, and I've run out of fuel. You can see exactly how much I'm taking out. What's always good before I fill up is to always just turn the scarifier over, air filter top high, and then just scrape out any debris. You get a real build up. In this case I've had quite a bit of mud build up. I always carry a spatula whether I'm mowing, aerating, scarifying, and I'm just going to use that just to get underneath and just scrape it off. That's just going to help reduce the build up of the thatch and the moss. And you can see there, that's a good centimetre of just pure mud that I'm pushing about. Now once I'd finished this side, I just tidied up an area, and then I decided to call it a day for the scarifying, because I now have the clear up. And although I am coming back tomorrow to finish the rest of the lawns, I don't want to be doing any clear up of wet, particularly dewy thatch, because that's going to be real hard work, or dewy moss. So I'm going to make sure I get it all cleared up now. If I end up having a little bit more time, I might do a bit more, but I need to get this all cleared up before I go home. So with everything cleared up on this lawn, I've decided to call it a day. As you can see where I've been up to, tomorrow I will be coming back to this lawn to finish this area, and then you can see a little small area at the front of the house, and actually the other side of that hedge by the white building, there's a big lawn there which I need to do as well. So the following day, after scarifying all the lawns, I then fed them and also sprayed the weeds. So I was a little bit nervous to come back here to know exactly what it looked like. However, it looks pretty good. It's very long. You can also see that the weeds are standing really proud and actually higher than the grass, which is quite long itself, and that's fantastic. So that means that the weeds are dying off. The weed killer is a growth hormone, so it will basically speed the life up of the weeds, and they will look quite bulbous and strong, but then they will burn themselves out and die away.